Hi, my name is Jose Kolakamil Joseph. My student ID is 77341410. Here I am taking a vlog related to my subject marketing dynamics, and the topic is EasyJet. Firstly, I give a small brief for what is marketing dynamics. Marketing dynamics are forces that will impact prices and the behavior of the producers and consumers. In a market, these forces create pricing signals which result from the fluctuation of supply and demand for a given product or service. Marketing dynamics can impact any industry or government policy. Now we are moving to the introduction part of my blog. This blog about EasyJet marketing is really fascinating. EasyJet is an airline that has performed well in an often volatile industry. Over the next few minutes, we will use Potter's five forces, the STP process, and the consumer decision making process. Three of the most important marketing ideas we have learned recently. By the breaking down EasyJet's business, I will show you how easily academic ideas can be used in real world marketing. Well, we will talk about EasyJet ever evolving marketing methods later. Now we are moving to the definition of marketing. Definition of marketing, the Coulter explained that marketing is what companies do to actively build strong ties with the customers, which usually last a long time and give customers a lot of value. To put simply, it's about making, talking, and giving services and goods that meet the wants and needs of the people. This variety of methods is meant to keep customers interested and satisfied. Marketing is more than just making sales. It also about building real trust, building relationship with people to build trust in the company and ensure long-term business success. Now we are moving to the Potter's five forces. Potter's five forces make it possible to look at how business fight in a market. The structure which we talked about in week two is one of the main part of the strategy study of competitive in an industry. Using this talk about EasyJet makes the tough competition in the flight business very clear. There is a significant possibility of new arrivals coming in, but EasyJet has established an excellent reputation and draw prices successfully that it will be hard for anyone to beat them. Focusing on price and freedom for buyers make it harder for them to deal at smart partnership for sellers make it harder for them to get what they want. Due to the competition from other companies, EasyJet has difficulties coming up with the novel concept to stay relevant in a field that is constant shifting. Now we are moving to the STP process. We look at how companies find and sell their products or service to the most qualified groups of people through a STP process. It was present in the week 5 that the segmentation, targeting, and positioning STP methods guides marketing strategies. As a leader in this field, ECJ divides its clientele into categories based on factors like how much they care about cost and how they prefer to travel. EasyJet gets marketing messages across by giving different groups of people services that are tailored to their needs. Cost and ease of use are big parts of this airline's marketing approach. which speaks to a lot of people and help it stand out in the market. The STP process elevates EasyJet above the usual ways of marketing, much like a well thought out flight plan. Now we are moving about the consumer decision making process. Consumer decision making process, understanding how people make choices is important for making plans. Week 3 made the consumer decision making process clearly, showing how people choose what to buy. At every point of contact, EasyJet carefully changes the decision that customers make. EasyJet effectively figures out what tourists want through targeted marketing and makes sure customers are pleased with their purchase. People are better and more loyal to the company because of the mediums, you, because of its online mediums, user-friendly devices, and customized deals with the help them make decisions very easily. Simply understanding and adhering to this procedure has assisted EasyJet in influencing and guiding its customers' choice and ensuring a smooth road from a competition to a trust that given to the people to believe in the EasyJet that company. Now we are moving to the practical implications and learning from my own review. Analyzing EasyJet charges using marketing tools have huge real world effects, showing how to succeed in the very tough flight business. Using Porter's five forces, EasyJet carefully positioning itself and improves its economic edge by making it harder for others to join. Employing the STP process provides the business with a set of tools for tailoring service to various customers groups, which help them effectively connect with the target audience. Utilizing the consumer decision-making procedures assists EasyJet in not only guessing but also influencing passengers' choice, which leads to more satisfied and trusting customers. Combining these concepts shows that the business can handle tricky markets, adapt to shifting consumers' taste, and stay ahead of the competition. EasyJet makes customers more comfort to do their service good. EasyJet is also a good example of how to use marketing well because it combines academic knowledge with real world strategies. Business that want to win in markets that can change quickly can learn from the EasyJet. Learning from the review, I get a clear view about EasyJet marketing tactics can employed in real life by looking at them in great detail. On the one hand, using Potter's five forces has helped us understand it. How easily get carefully, how easily understand how EasyJet carefully positioning itself within the a very tough fight market. EasyJet can become a strong player in the market by raising barriers to entry, balancing to the power of buyers and sellers, and handling competitive flights, learning about EasyJet's STP, segmentation, targeting, and positioning. Process demonstrated how crucial it is to adjust marketing strategies for various customers group. By smartly dividing its customers into groups, EasyJet is able to satisfy an array of needs at once, making sure that its personalized method work for all demographics. Understanding these small details is easy with the STP methods, which is important aspects of EasyJet capability to maintain a lot of different kinds of customers. It also possible to see how EasyJet approach fits with each step to consumer decision making process by looking beyond the surface. Now we are moving to the summary of my vlog. These vlogs have shown some of the most fundamental concepts in marketing by using EasyJet as an instance. The Protest Five Forces, the STB method, and the consumer decision making methods have all been broken down to see what they mean for EasyJet. Finally, remember that the marketing industry is a field that is always changing. So it's essential to constantly learn and adjust to do well. So I am stopping my vlog. Thank you.